Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Sunil Naik, and in this video I will explain similarity or the same figures. Okay students, in Navodaya entrance exam in mental ability part, this is also one of the important part. They will ask questions regarding this similarity or same figures. Here I will explain you one example and questions, how to solve the questions directly I will explain you. Before going to start this, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. See here, students, first I will explain you how to solve the methods of the solving. So first they have given one example here. First we have to look carefully the shape and the designs of the figures. And the next thing is we have to study the problem figures carefully. We have to study these figures carefully, and we have to match the answer figure one from the problem figure. Here, this is the problem. This is the problem figure, and these are the answer figures. Okay, problem figure they will give 1, and answer figures they will give 4. In that, which is similar to this one, we have to see that. And sometimes some questions are there, some answers are there, they will look very similar. Okay, so for that reason we should not take the questions too lightly as it seems. Okay students, now let us see this one. So here one figure is there, and in this answer figures they have given 4 answer figures. In this first one is completely different from this one, so leave this one. So second one, you can see here, second one, it is the same, it is similar to this problem figure. So second one is the answer. Here this is right side, no, this is left side, but it is similar, but this is left side, this also left side, and this is small, and this is the shape is completely different. So second one is the answer. Okay students, now let's start some questions. I will explain you. I will solve here 10 questions. So watch it carefully, so that afterwards you can try some more questions. So let's start question number 1. So here this is the problem figure, and these 4 are the answer figures. You can see it clearly. So we have to find the same figure which is given here in this 4, and we have to find that answer, and we have to circle that. So let's see this one. Let's go to the first one. Here you can see this one. Front wheel is shaded here, back wheel is shaded, so this is not a correct answer. So let's come to the next one. Here you can see that this window is looking like window, no, it is shaded, but is here it is not shaded part. So second one is also not a correct answer. So next come to the third one. So you can see here front wheel is shaded, and this small circle inside this also in the same, it is looking like same. So third one is the answer. Again, when you compare to that fourth, this window shape is there, no, this is place is changed here. So third one is the answer. Okay students, we should find the equivalent which is similar or which is the same, that we have to find. Okay, in the first question, third one is the answer. Okay students, let's go to the question number 2 here. So we have to observe here one oval shape is there, and how many lines are there, that also we have to count. This is 1 2 3 4 lines are there. So let's go to the first one here. Same shape is there, and how many lines are there, let's count. 1 2 3 4. After that, in this line again we can see this one. This first and last line is a little bit different, because this is not a straight line, it is a little bit zigzag. So here all the lines are straight, so first is not answer. So let's go to the next one. Second one here. Here also same. The shape is same and 4 lines are there, and first and fourth are zigzag. So second one is the answer. This one is the answer. So just see third and fourth. This is cross, no, and this is completely different. So first, third and fourth are not answer. Second one is the answer. Like this we have to find which is similar. Okay students, let's go to the next question. So let's see question number 3 students. So here a small cat is there. So we have to find out which is similar. So here sometimes it may look similar, but very small minor mistakes are there, minor change is there, that we have to find out. So here first one, it is also cat, but this tail, you can see that tail difference is there. Okay, so first one is not the answer. And let's go to the second one. Here it is completely different, means the direction of the sitting, this is completely different, so leave this one. So let's come to the third one. So it's very perfect, means it is looking like this only. So third one is the answer. Again, when you compare to the fourth one, it is here a little bit the shape of this stomach a little bit changed. So third one is the right answer. Okay students, let's move to the question number 4th one. See here, which looks similar. So when you see that first one, it's looking like similar, but here you can see that this direction, this is in the opposite direction here. So leave this first one, comes to the second one. So here you can see that this and this is same, and this and this is same. This shape is also same, and this is also same. So second one is the right answer. Like this we have to see, because they are all looking like same only, similar only, but which is very perfect figure, that we have to find out. So in fourth question, second one is the right answer. Let's go to the question number 5th one. Okay students, let's see question number 5th. Here this is a problem figure, and which is similar, which is same in this one. So by observing this, sometimes you may get one or two wrong answers, means it is completely looking different. So this is looking different, so leave this one, and this also looking different, so leave this one. So similar lookings are two here, two figures are there. In this, which is correct? Here this is square and this is circle, so first one is the right answer. Good friends, now let's move to the question number 6th one. So here also we can see that little bit different here. This is also, these two are, they are looking too much different, so leave this one, not need to observe this one again. So first and second, just observe the first and second. In the second, which is correct, that we have to find out. Okay students, so here here I told you third and fourth are looking different, but third is looking different, fourth is not looking different, it's looking similar. So you remove this third one. So when it comes to the check the first one now. Here the line is straight. Here it is a curved line is there. So first is not a correct answer. Let's move to the second one. Here it is, the lines are straight, no. So this is also curved line. So it is also looking different. Here first and second and third, all three are looking completely different. So fourth one, that's why I told you before only, we should not judge by observing the figures. We have to we should observe here keenly. Okay, students, then only we will get a right answer. Sir, this is the right answer. Fourth one is the right answer. Okay, students, let's go question number 7th. See question number 7th, which is a similar figure to this one. When it comes to the, sometimes all they will look like similar. Here in this only this is not looking like similar, means this is not a correct answer. So you can see, leave this one, you can observe these three. Again in this three, here first one you can see that shaded part is there. Okay, again, so you can leave this one also. Now come to the second and fourth. In second and fourth, which is correct, we have to search. And now we have to count if it is looking similar, both are looking similar. In second, we have to observe these shapes, and we have to observe these lines also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines are there. And in second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines are there. Here this also shape is correct, and this also shape is correct. So second one is the right answer here. Like this we have to judge. Now let's go to question number 8. So these questions I am solving here. These are all questions they have asked in 2012, 2013. Here you can see here this question was asked in 2012 for the Navodaya entrance exam. Okay, so these type questions we have to practice. So question number 8th one, you can say one small glass is there, that water is also there. So 8th one, not need to see this again. Here directly we can see that, because these are completely different, no? So there is no confusion, not need to confuse here. So directly we can judge here by observing these figures. Second one is the answer, because this is completely different from this, and this is also completely different, and this is also completely different. So second one is the answer. So easily we can judge the questions when they are given like this. Okay, students, second one is the right answer. So let's see question number 9th. See here, students, let's go for question number 9th. Question number 9th, by observing these figures, means upside that arrow mark is dark is there, no? 1, 2, there is no dark arrow mark in this 2, so leave this one. And dark arrow mark is there, this is down, means that triangular shape, and the shape is completely vice versa, it is, means opposite is there. So let's go to the question 4th one. So 4th is the exactly similar, means it is similar to this problem figure. So 4th one is the answer. Okay, it is looking same, no? So we have to decide 4th one is the answer. Okay, let's go to the 10th question. Okay, now this is little bit different. Shape is there, and we have to find the exact shape. So observe first one by one here. Here inside this one, this diagram is there, no? These lines. So it is completely changed. So first one is not answer. So let's move to the second one here. In second one we can see here there is no these 2 lines here. 2 lines are the small lines. Here there is no 2 small lines. So this also not answer. Let's go to third one. Okay, third one, it is exactly same looking. So third one is the right answer here. And fourth, inside there is no shape, this one, this shape is not there in fourth. So third one is the right answer. Okay, students, I hope you all understood this one. Like this we have to judge, and we have to practice these type sums more and more, so that you will get confident regarding this one. Students, I hope you all understood this one. If you all understood, please hit the like button and share to your contacts. Thank you.